It's a little bit like styrofoam with a little bit of a flavor, with a little kick.
It has a big kick.
It's interesting.
It has a big kick in it.
It's an interesting styrofoam mix. It's so bland.
It is really bland.
I had a little accident with my last mic, so I got a spare mic right here. Come on, don't make me laugh. Shh, you're gonna make me laugh. Just
I'm gonna make you laugh?
yeah, just
It would take me.
okay, guys. I had a little accident with my last mic, so I have a spare right here. What? We have to complete this video. It's a great mic.
Great mic.
Perfect sound. It looks kind of funny, but you don't mind, do you?
Roger that.
Okay, let's just Karen kind of spiced this up a little bit. Let's see how this works. Honey butter and styrofoam. It's better. It's very lemony.
Oh.
What do you put in it? It's not bad.
Now it's better.
Do you like lemons? No, it's good.
No, this is actually better. This is good. Now this has good consistency of hummus. I just can't look. I just can't
I'll stand right here.
look in the direction
I'll
of the sun.
blend in with the oven over here.
This has the consistency of hummus. I added more lemon. I added more garlic. I added some more olive oil. And it's actually pretty nice now. And in the... I mean, seriously, the other one, that recipe was a bomb.
It's pretty good. I like it. Well, let's just go right into the how-to part, okay?
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.